SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to check camera permissions on iPhone in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you would like to see which apps on your iPhone have access to your camera and possibly disable that access if an app doesn't need that permission, then you can do so by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select Privacy and Security, and then you just need to choose the camera option on this menu. Now here you'll see the apps that currently have access to the camera app, and if you would like to disable that access, then you can just tap the button to the right of it, and that app will no longer be able to use the camera on the phone.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.